Introducing the LEVOIT Humidifier, a pinnacle of innovation and efficiency in home humidification. This cutting-edge device not only stands out with its remarkable speed, covering vast areas in record time, but also offers customizable features to meet individual needs. From rapid moisture restoration for enhanced well-being to long-lasting performance in large rooms, this humidifier promises a seamless and personalized humidification experience. Join us as we delve into the details of this exceptional appliance, exploring its features, specifications, and the unique elements that make it a standout choice for elevating home comfort. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High efficiency, whole home humidification. This humidifier impresses with its exceptional humidification speed, performing 4 times faster than competitors. Capable of covering a substantial 753 feet to area, it stands out by providing up to 50 hours of continuous operation. The customizable target humidity and convenient auto mode enhance the hands-free experience, catering to varying needs effortlessly. Number 2. Rapid moisture restoration for better health. Boasting a commendable capability, this humidifier raises relative humidity by 10% in just 20 minutes, offering rapid relief from symptoms associated with dry air. Its near-silent operation and lights-off feature contribute to undisturbed sleep, promoting overall well-being. Number 3. Perfect for large rooms with long-lasting performance. The humidifier's mist output of 500 milliliters/ER, coupled with a capacious 6-liter tank, proves ideal for spaces as large as 753 feet 2/70 square meters. With an impressive runtime of up to 50 hours, users are spared the inconvenience of frequent refills, ensuring a consistent and reliable humidification experience. Number 4. Smart Auto Mode and Customizable Settings. The built-in sensor facilitates auto mode, dynamically adjusting mist levels to maintain optimal humidity. You can also tailor the humidity levels to specific needs, be it for houseplants, infants, or delicate musical instruments, providing a personalized touch to the humidification process. Number 5. Aromatherapy and Remote Convenience. The inclusion of an aroma box for essential oils adds an aromatic dimension to the humidifier, promoting a pleasant and fresh atmosphere. The convenience of remote control allows users to manage the humidifier effortlessly from across the room, enhancing user experience and accessibility. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 11.3 inches depth by 7 inches width by 10.5 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. What's in the box? Let's dive into what's in the box. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Long-lasting operation up to 50 hours. Customizable target humidity with auto mode. Swift 10% RH increase in 20 mins for better health. Near-silent operation and lights-off feature. 1 reason not to buy. Higher initial investment compared to basic humidifiers. Conclusion. The LEVOIT humidifier exceeds expectations with its high speed, customizable performance, ensuring rapid moisture restoration for a healthier living environment. Its longevity, smart features, and convenience make it an outstanding choice for those seeking an efficient and personalized solution to elevate the comfort of their homes. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.